Welcome to another episode. If you enjoyed this type of content, then subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on any of our latest and greatest uploads. When you know what you're doing, making money online is pretty straightforward. You can do it full-time or part-time right from the comfort of your home. Who wouldn't want to work in their pajamas and pull in some extra cash? Well, in this video, we explore some different ways to make money online. Can I make money online? Yes, you can make money online. In fact, making money online is an incredible, popular way to earn some extra income or even make a full-time living. From freelance writing to setting up your own online store, there are plenty of legitimate ways to make money online. Is making money online fast? If you are wondering how to make money online, it is important for you to stay away from get-rich-quick schemes. For example, there are some people who may recommend online business ideas that claim you can make money from home overnight. Even though there are lots of ways to earn money online, you need to keep your wits about you, as people who promise that you can make millions of dollars in just a few days are probably trying to take advantage of you. Instead, it is important to focus on legitimate ways to make money, such as social media content creation. Even though you do need to be careful as you are looking for ways to make passive income from home, there are plenty of amazing ideas out there. If you are wondering how to make money online, you need to focus on what you're already good at. You have talents that a lot of other people would love to have, and you need to lean on them if you would like to make money online. Do not hesitate to try out a few ideas, and remember that there are people who are willing to help you. Put together a cohesive strategy that you can use to make money on your schedule from home with a solid internet connection. Number 5, find freelance work. Freelance work is when you work for yourself and complete projects on a contract basis. Even if you take on a contract to work for a company, you are still self-employed when you are a freelancer. And there are plenty of freelance jobs online. In fact, there are plenty of freelance websites that list jobs. Be sure to check out Upwork. They are the world's largest freelance marketplace. Upwork offers a large volume of remote freelance jobs. You'll see listings for freelancers as web designers, project managers, writers, graphic designers, and other specialties. Over 15 million freelancers get their work from Upwork, and it's free to join. There are also over 2 million jobs for freelancers listed on Upwork. Number 4, start a YouTube channel. There are many ways to make money online with a YouTube channel. The most popular way is to add AdSense ads to your videos. Every time someone clicks on your ad, you make money. You can also promote products in your videos on YouTube by wearing or using certain products in your videos. Add a link to your online store to get people to visit your store and buy your items, or contract with third-party companies to promote their products. Just make sure you have a compelling offer for your viewers. Another way to make money on your YouTube channel is to create sponsored content. This way, you can make a profit by endorsing branded products or creating content marketing videos. Number 3, start a drop shipping business. Drop shipping can be a simple and profitable business model. You don't have to pay for storing your inventory. Instead, you act as the go-between. Find suppliers online who will sell your products wholesale and mark it up and earn a profit for yourself. From computers and clothing to jewelry and health food, there are thousands of suppliers who can provide you with your inventory. When you do this, you will need to have a website and/or an e-commerce storefront of your own to market and sell the products. Number 2, take online surveys. Believe it or not, you can make money online by taking surveys. There are online survey websites where you can take a survey in your spare time and earn gift cards or cash. Just keep in mind that some paid survey sites are better than others. Branded surveys is one way to earn money online by taking surveys. It's also a favorite of many. They have a sign-up bonus, competitions, a loyalty program, and competitive payouts. You can earn up to $5 for each survey that you complete. Number 1, create a blog. Blogs are a popular money-making tool because they're easy to create and offer many routes for monetization. If you have some knowledge on a subject, you could create an online course and sell your expertise to people who come to your blog. Or maybe you've got a blog that specializes in a particular topic. You could sell digital products related to that topic, like guides, templates, ebooks, and more, to folks that visit your blog. And with that, we've reached the end of this video, all about how to make money online. If you enjoyed it and you found it helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content just like this. Well, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.